Hello, this is Alex Lepkes from Audio-Technica. I'm here at the ISE 2020, and behind me you see our wireless offering that we're showing at this show. We have the 5000 series high-end wireless system, dual channel, full analog wireless system, which means no latency at all, with the handheld and body pack transmitter. And right next to it is our 3000 series network wireless system, which is the new thing. We used to have the 3000 series, it was introduced 2 years ago. And now this year we're adding a a network-equipped receiver to it. And with this one we can allow, together with the network control charging station, to make full integration solutions based on our wireless manager software, which you can see here on the screen. So this allows not only frequency coordination, frequency scanning, but in addition we have a lot of monitor functions specifically for the charging unit and the status of all the transmitters all over the place and where they're installed. That's it. I'm Alex Lepkes from Audio-Technica here at ISE 2020. Thanks for watching.